Listen up to hear how you can be part of the Moderna vaccine trial. We're testing the standard COVID booster vaccine against one designed for the Omicron variant. I'm here with John Mulcahy, trial coordinator for the Moderna vaccine trial. Hi, John.
Hello.
So, tell me about this trial. Why are we taking part in this? What's the next step for COVID research?
So, this trial is where people are going to get an opportunity to get a fourth booster. Mm-hmm. And I think that's really valuable because some people may be in a position where they don't qualify for the fourth booster through the normal NHS means. Mm-hmm. However, they might feel that they are a little bit more vulnerable than their status actually would say so. Yeah,
or maybe they're not personally eligible, but maybe there's people close to them who are maybe a bit more vulnerable, so it's something they would want to do to sort of protect that.
Exactly, yeah. I mean, the first occupations that spring to mind there are perhaps school teachers or police officers, and you know they might wish to be vaccinated and get that opportunity of a fourth booster.
I see.
So the way this study works is you either get the trial booster or the regular Spikevax booster, which Moderna already make and they already distribute throughout vaccination centres throughout the UK.
And that one is the one that's similar to the previous vaccines that people will have had before?
Absolutely, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I was considering to be a participant in this trial. What would I expect to experience if I did? So tell me, talk me through a little bit the process of being a participant.
If you're generally fit and well, you probably will qualify for this.
Okay.
Like I say, the booking form actually has the kind of questions that help pre-screen you so that you don't get disappointed on the day.
Okay.
You'll turn up, you'll talk to a doctor about this, you'll have your blood pressure taken, perhaps your height and weight and a few other things like that. And then you'll have a COVID swab taken, which I'm sure many of us are familiar with now, the one that tickles the back of the throat.
Oh, yes.
And you'll also
watery eyes.
Yeah, that's right. You'll also have a small sample of blood taken, and then after that you'll come back after a month, and then you'll come back after 3 months, and then you'll come back after 6 months, and then you'll come back after a year.
So there's quite a bit of time in between those visits. It's not too much of a full-on commitment, I guess.
No, it shouldn't be too intensive, and we've created a system where hopefully you can book a date that's appropriate for you for when you need to turn up for those return visits.
I think that's great, that booking through EventBrite. It seems like a simple interface to use. So when's the trial opening? When does it start? When can people expect to sort of sign up?
So we are starting on April the 1st. And there's no joke in that at all.
No.
So April the 1st, we'll be at the Strive Centre, hopefully being able to give out these vaccines. We're not going to do anything the weekend following that, so the next day would be the 4th of April, and from there we're doing it until the 12th.
Are there financial incentives?
So yeah, within reasonable amounts we can reimburse people for their travel. There's also a financial reimbursement for the time that you spend, whether that's having swabs and bloods taken or having the vaccine and so on. That time is reimbursed. And also there's a small app that you'll be asked to download and occasionally fill in a diary entry.
Oh yeah.
And you're paid, I think it's £4 for each entry.
Okay.
So it actually tots up quite a bit by the end of the year, to be quite honest.
But really, the real value is the study findings and the contribution to the future of research, right?
Absolutely.
So why is it still important that we do this research and that we care in this way?
Really, what we want to try and do is keep the country moving and keep us away from another lockdown situation. Lockdowns are always based on how filled our hospitals are.
Yeah.
And one thing that vaccines have proven is that they keep our hospitals slightly more empty than they otherwise would be. And that's one of the main reasons why it's important to get vaccinated through any means possible. If you qualify for a vaccine, please get vaccinated. But one of the main opportunities with this is, A, if you don't qualify for a vaccine but you'd like one, here's a chance where you can get one. And secondly, here's a chance to contribute to good science where we can actually develop what might turn out to be a better vaccine for future.
Okay, thanks for that and good luck with everything.
Thank you, and hopefully anyone who does want the opportunity can sign up and get a vaccine from us.
If you're interested in taking part, you can find the information on the screen in front of you. There's a QR code and also a link to the EventBrite site. Please get in contact if you have any questions.